let's discuss about what is LMS. LMS, or known as Learning Management System, is a system that contains material in pedagogic and professional competencies which are met with multimedia, packaging text, innovation, video, sound effects, and then provide as a supplement and enrichment of the technology to develop a learning process. So the innovation of learning management system developed includes of the field of informations and communication technology. So especially in virtual or based on via internet or online learning and stand-above learning, that is as an internet connection with learning management system. So it is created dynamically, which is a learning management system, or we call it as. So through the virtual learning management center, we can see that learning management system make a product in form of system management learning, and then the second one is produce printed modules materials in teaching and learning material activities, and the last one is the production of web-based and standalone interactive multimedia in learning and teaching process.
Well guys, I will explain to you about LMS features. LMS features in general include the following. The first is administration. Administration, namely information about related units in the teaching and learning process, for example like a goals, syllabus, teaching methods, course schedule, text, exam schedule, and others. And for the second is submission of material in case of access to reference source. It is, for example, the stages and lectures notes or presentation materials, example of past exam and fact or FAQ or frequently asked question, and reference source for work completion, useful sites. And then there is evaluation and assessment, and then online exam and feedback collection, and then communication. For communication, actually students using online discussion forums like chat or Zoom and WhatsApp and others.
Okay, the next material is about types of learning management system. The first is Moodle. Moodle is a name for an application program that can change a learning media into a web form. By using Moodle, we can create learning material, quizzes, a journal, and more. The second is Dokios. Dokios is a type of many learning management system that are developing. Dokios is an e-learning tool for web basic application. Dokios is free, and Dokios is software released by the new GPL, and its development is supported by the international community. The third is ALOT. ALOT stands for Online Learning and Training. This is a web application called a learning management system that supports every type of online learning, teaching, and tutoring with multi-type education. OLED is free and open source software. The fourth is eTutor. eTutor is a learning management system designed with quick access and adaptability in mind. The last of type learning management system is Sakai. Sakai is used to support teaching and learning, ad hoc group collaboration, and support for research, collaboration, and portfolios. Sakai is created and maintained by the Sakai community.
Now let's talk about LMS advantages. So everything must have advantages and disadvantages. So now we're going to tell you about the LMS advantages. The first one is designing and recording workshop for staff with LMS. And then the second one is facilitate e-learning with online learning platform. And then the third one is combine all training information into one systems. And then next, to reducing training costs with LMS. And then the last one of the LMS advantages is increasing compliance with the requirements of law control. So it means that if we have to know about LMS, we also must know about the advantages.
Okay, here I want to tell you about the disadvantage of the LMS. The first is dependence of LMS vendor use, and the second is organizations should adapt their e-learning process based on the LMS use, and the last is LMS in generally only concern planning, delivery, administration, and management of student activities and learning process. The creation, publication, administration, and management of learning material used by LMS in the domain of the LCMS or Learning Content Management System.
Okay, for the conclusion of our presentation today, we conclude that e-learning is absolutely necessary to anticipate current development with the support of information technology system where everything is heading to the digital era, both mechanism and content. The development of unprecedented by an analyzing of the needs of the user. According to the system and software engineering paradigm, the needs of their user are paramount and are the basis for the creation and work of educational development. Okay, that's all from me. I say thank you.